Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and I just want to give you guys an update on Bowler CBT Labs Volume 2. I have finished Volume 2 now, and they're available on my webpage here. So you can go there and check them out. I have 20 total videos in this volume. I have two frame relay labs going over end-to-end keep alives and PPP multi-link over frame. I have two BGP labs, one BGP lab's going over BGP authentication and time to live security. The other one's going over outbound route filtering. I have 5 IPv6 labs going over frame relay static map, RIP next generation, OSPF version 3 over frame relay, EIGRP, multi-protocol BGP are IPv6. So those labs are all great. I have two labs here. OSPF Lab 3 that's going to go over all OSPF network types, broadcast and non-broadcast over frame relay. OSPF Lab 4, which is OSPF area types like stub, totally stub, not so stub, totally not so stubby areas. So it's a great lab. This one in particular is just a really good lab. It breaks down all the area types very well and allows you to understand them, and it's a great lab there. So we have three quality of service labs. One's going over the modular quality of service command line interface, shows you how to use class maps, policy maps, service policies, how to match different types of traffic like ACLs, protocols, and other things there. So great lab. The next quality service lab is IP network-based application recognition, or NBAR. Shows you how to filter, or I'm sorry, not filter, but view traffic that's flowing through an interface at the application and protocol level. So it's a very powerful tool that you can use to see different types and flows of traffic. Also here, Quality Service Lab 3, I have frame relay traffic shaping, goes over how to set up traffic shaping across a frame relay network. In this case, we have two spoke routers, one hub router, and we're going to be traffic shaping based on the DELCs and limiting them in bandwidth here. So that's a great lab. Also, I have another ACL lab, which is going over zone-based firewall configurations, where we go over the zone, different types of zones, the zone pairs, and applying the zones to interfaces. We'll go over using the MQC to group our traffic in which we want to allow across the zone-based firewall. So it's a great, powerful lab. Not a lot of labs out there. Actually, I haven't seen any labs on the internet or in the world like it. So it's a great lab. Also, we're going to do Multicast Lab 3, going over out.RP, showing you how to set up the rendezvous points and announce them. And then it's going to show you how to use a mapping agent, how to discover the rendezvous points, and pretty much give you your multicast group mappings here. So we're going to pretty much do our group to rendezvous point mappings on the mapping agent. So it explains all that in detail. It's a great lab. Also, we're doing RIP version 2. Again, we're going to look at, in this case, into RIP summarization and offset lists, specifically how to filter within an offset list using the RIP metric, and how offset lists are used. So it's a great lab. We're going to do a PPP lab over. We're going to be running multi-link, so we're going to show you how to bundle certain physical interfaces into a logical interface. Here in this case, we're going to be using T1s, and we're going to bundle them together into a logical interface. And then we're going to finish off with two switching labs. We got .1Q tunneling. I'm going to show you how to do a layer 2 VPN across four different switches. And we're going to tunnel Cisco Discovery Protocol CDP information through these devices. Also, we're going to do a switching lab, which is going to go over switch port security, everything you need to know about switch port security, all the three different types of switch port security, and we're going to do some advanced features within switch port security, such as with air disable automatically After a certain timeout, we're going to throw the interface back into the up state, so you don't have to manually go in and do a no shut and shut on the interface. So again, as you can see, we have 20 labs here, great labs. You're not going to find any type of training like this on the internet or across the world for the price. Um, you guys have really inspired me to keep doing more labs with your feedback that I'm getting from you guys. I've been selling copies all across the world, from Singapore to India to Hawaii to New Zealand to London to New York to California. So I really want to appreciate all your guys' responses that I'm getting and feedback. It's been great and really pushing me to come out with another volume here. And so I just want to let you know that Volume 2 is now out. Again, Volume 2 you can use for CCNA level. A lot of these topics are even on the CCNA now. Not in the detail that I explain them, but they're still there and you still have to know them. So CCNA, CCNP, definitely you're going to see a lot of this on the CCNP. CCIP, that's the Internetwork Professional. You're going to see some of the QoS on there. Other things here, IPv6, BGP. Also, even at the CCIE level, you're going to see all these labs are going to be at the CCIE level. So again, for on-the-job training or for certification training, these labs are going to be the best you can get for the price. Now again, I just want to tell you that the audio and video quality has been improved for the Volume 2 labs over the Volume 1 labs, and I think you're going to see a big difference here in the quality. So thanks again for all your feedback, and I hope you enjoy the Volume 2 labs. Again, you can go to my eBay store here at the bottom, http://stores.ebay.com/bowler-cbt-labs. Again, I'm going to make all these videos available on the YouTube webpage. I'm just going to throw this out here that I have it out on the store now, so if you don't want to wait for the labs to come out on the YouTube webpage, because I have to upload them all, there's like 100 and something pieces that I'm going to have to upload. So there's a lot of pieces there that I'm going to have to upload to YouTube. So for now, if you just want a hard copy of it, just go to the stores.ebay, or go to my eBay store there, and it's out and ready for you guys to purchase if you want. So thanks again, and I hope you guys enjoy all the videos.